Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on Oxy. This is a S3 breakdown. And right now the trade isn't looking so good, to be honest. It's looking like it found a bottom here and it's probably gonna... Looks like it found some support right here at S4. Right above S4, and it's looking like it's gonna push up from here. See, S3 is right here, this red line. Let's see here. Can make that bigger. Right, so I took the S3 breakdown right here at 69.42. You can see S3 is right here, 69.89. So I'm a little late to the party. Could have probably jumped in around here, but not feeling too good today, so I opened my platform kind of late in the afternoon. So just taking one afternoon trade, and it's looking like it's gonna stop me out. Let's see here. I have my my oil trading set up here. Have US oil, have Gush over here, got Oxy over here, and Murs over here, Murphy oil. And it's just like I guess it's looking at different ETFs and the whole oil chart. You know what I mean? It's just basically everything. Well, almost everything. You know. Got the big daddy over here, US oil. So that's governing everything. Just looking at that, and that's looking like it probably found support here. This double bottom right here. So that is what is probably gonna take me out with this move up. You see, we're looking to break out over here right now. So yeah, probably gonna stop me out. And this is paper trading here. This right here is paper trading. I just wanted to take the trade over here as well, so I could judge and set stop loss and stuff like that. So this is paper trading. This isn't the real trade right here. The real trade is over at it's on Dash Trader Pro. This is the real trade. At 69.42 is the entry short. On this one here, I missed it by, let's see, it's 69.39 is the entry. Yeah. 69.38.39, somewhere around there. Right now I'm looking at how we react at S3. Because I'm liking them wick rejections. We got the pivot right here. Let's see, let me outline that. See, this is the pivot line right here, central pivot at 69.96. That blue line right here. So that's what I'm banking on right now. I think we're holding below, because this is a double pivot zone right here. And with this low volume node, this light blue line going across here as well. So it's a three pivot kind of resistance right here. So I'm banking on that giving me some resistance so we could push down to 68. Let's see. See on my floor pivots chart over here, you can see the pivot line is lined up right here. We got lower VWAP coming down as well. So that's created more support. More resistance. See, all this is lining up right here. And I almost got wicked out right here. It's probably, this came up to like 70.09 or something like that. It didn't clip me off. That could have stopped me out right there, but I guess the stop loss was in the perfect place. So this is my floor pivot chart. You see we got R1 up here. See R1, R2. But in this case, since we haven't broken out really, we're still around the pivot levels. I like to look at the Camarilla pivots instead. They're a little more tighter. It's a little tighter range compared to like the floor pivots. And let's see what value relationship we had today on the Camarillas. So we have a higher value relationship because you see R3 prior day is down here. See R3 right here at 69.34. And now S3 is at 69.89. R3 is now at 71.84. So it's a totally higher value day with S3, which is the bottom, now higher than the previous day top, which is R3. So what was supposed to happen, we were supposed to gap up open, get support over R3 right here if it's going to be bullish, right? That's the lowest you're supposed to go, and then just push up from here. That's what was supposed to happen if we're going to be bullish, but we lost R3. If I was looking at this earlier during the day, what time was this? Like, let's see what time was that. That was 13:40. Damn, I missed it by probably like an hour or something like that. But you see how we let me make this bigger. This could have been a real good entry right here. You see, you have the R3 breakdown. You see, we rejecting the higher value relationship. We opened up, big wick rejection here, big sell off, broke VWAP, broke upper broke through the upper VWAP here, the red line. See, so that's your first indication. We broke below that, then we broke below VWAP, big candle. Then we caught some support here at lower VWAP. Then had this answer right here, broke VWAP again, broke lower VWAP, broke R4. This could have been a real nice short entry right here. But then again, you gotta wonder, you gotta be careful of R3. That's the last support in like the bullish move. If it's pulling back, you look for support here, so you could catch like a short. You know, you could take maybe, let's say you take 100 shares, all around here you take off 50 shares. And if it moves back up, then you could, like if it breaks above this level right here, you could cover the rest. And then see what it does. You see we got wick rejections around here at VWAP again. Then you could have taken this again, this lower VWAP break. Take that. Do the same thing, come down to R3. Probably scalp a little bit. If you see it pulling back, then you cover. No loss on that trade if you took that short. Let's see, you get the VWAP rejection again. And then the break of R3 and lower VWAP. This right here. This is a nice entry candle. That would have been nice right there. And then you could, let's see, that would have been a nice entry. Let's say you wait for that to close. It closed at around 71.64, and you could have taken that all the way down. And you see, we're not coming back above lower VWAP anymore. We're kind of rejecting off of that area, rejecting off of S3 right here. So this trade might just work out. This zone here is what I gotta depend on for the resistance. Lower VWAP and this R3 right here. But I think we accumulating too much. All this sideways movement right here. All this is accumulation kind of behavior, you know. Because if we're gonna look at the volume right here, look how much volume at price there is. That was a bad line. So look at how much that is, right? And still increasing. So if all this volume is taking place right here, we should be moving down. We ain't come down to S4 yet. Let's see, let's take a little look at the oil chart again. Let's see, Oxy. Alright. Let's see. Let's see what US oil is saying. So US oil is looking like it wants to break down again. It wants to probably push down. This is a high volume node right here. So it's probably gonna retest that. If we don't get support like this anymore, like if it doesn't push up from here again, then we could get a breakdown to like S5. Let me pull out a fib line and see what it looks like from like here. Alright, so we're right here at the 38% level. This is where we're getting this resistance from. So you can see how it drops right there on the 38% level. So Fibonacci is a good tool to get some perspective on what price is doing at this particular moment, you know. And this white line right here, that's the money zone low. So in the scheme of things, the money zone low is like the lowest value of support in the money zone concept. And we already broke below that, and now we have that as resistance and the 38% level. So that's what I call like these double pivot zones. It's a double pivot of resistance right here. Alright, so Gush and Oxy is moving down. Gush has this big sell-off candle right here. Gush is looking like it's moving down. See, Mur is looking like it's moving down as well. Murphy oil. Trying to make that bigger. I hope you guys could see that. But you see, US oil is still catching this kind of support here around this area. So I gotta be careful. They're trying to set me up on US oil right here. You see this level right here, we're catching support. We have this push up right now. And now we have this push down on Oxy, but we right around the support level again. So let's see what it's having kind of like a divergence right now. This US oil is pushing up while Oxy is pushing down, so I gotta be careful of that. Alright, looking like we're getting some push off here. Let's go back to DAS. Although I want to keep an eye on this US oil, man. Anyway, I'll come back. Right, so we're in profit now. Moving down, we like about 1 hour in profit. I'm starting to think maybe I shouldn't overstay my welcome, because I don't like how this US oil chart is acting right now. Plus we're catching support here again on Oxy. You gotta watch stuff like that. It's a support zone, and Oxy is catching support right here as well, in this zone right here. Murphy oil is the only one looking like it's selling off. No wick rejections, pulling back. Looking like it's the weakest. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this. Right now I'm looking at US oil. I want US oil to fall. The volume is real lackluster too on US oil. Look at that volume right there. It's like all the volume fell off. And we had this push up here off of that fall in volume. So I'm thinking we might push down. We're getting some wick rejection here. Yeah, we're getting the move down now. I needed to break this level right here. You see this kind of indecision candle forming? I need you to break down past this level. Break this level. Break this level. Alright, let's see what Oxy is doing. Right now we in profit. We in profit at S4. Trying to hold on. Probably I'm trying not to move my stop to break even. I don't want to get clipped out, but it's kind of late. It's 3:48 right now, so I think I might just secure a break even trade right here at 69.34. I'll put it at 32 just to make it kind of like a round number, like from 69.42 to 69.30. So that's like what, 12 points, 12 cents. Because if you're gonna move down, you're gonna move down from here. It's already late. So if you're gonna come back and clip me out, just come back and clip me out. Let's see, US oil is looking weak. Looking like it wanna break down. Hopefully we get that pushed down before the market closes. I was also looking at JPM. The financials were strong today, man. JPM had a nice run up today. See, this is the Renko chart. Nice clean run up. So 15-minute Renko. So you got the hour chart here, got the 5-minute and the 15-minute down here. I think we're good for a flush down, man. I think we're gonna move down. US oil is looking like it wants to break down. And damn, Murphy oil just caught a bid, man. Everything caught a bid, damn. Ah, man. Oh, so I probably got clipped out then. Right, so I'm out the trade. Yeah, I think it was a good decision to I guess safeguard from being in a loss, you know. I think it was a good decision. And I think it even shot past my my stop because I put it at 69.30 and we got filled all the way at 69.57. So yeah, they did me dirty anyway. But it's still like it's a break even trade within the scheme of things, you know. It's not a big loss or anything like that. Anyway, that's my trade, man. That's my afternoon trade. Trading some Oxy, trading some oil. Kind of late to the move, so the perfect trade would have been this R3 breakdown right here to S3 and probably, you know, take it right just below, just above S4 if I could have held properly and, you know, managed my risk properly. It's looking like I would have probably set my stop at R3 and one of these maybe would have taken me out. Yeah. Alright, y'all. It's your boy King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.